It was the sunniest day of the year. Birds were chirping, the breeze was gentle, and the clouds floated by like cotton candy in a baby blue sky. In the middle of a glowing cornfield stood Sonny the Scarecrow. Life for him was simple. He just stood still, guarded the field, and watched the clouds float by. But today, something strange was about to happen. Suddenly, Sonny shook like a bowl full of jelly. Straw flew everywhere. Wait, did you hear that? A sneeze? But scarecrows don't sneeze, do they? The chickens clucked nervously. The cows mooed in confusion, and the farmer scratched his head and said, "Well, I never." One sneeze turned into two, then three, until the whole field was in chaos. What was happening to Sonny? To find out, we have to take a peek inside. Music builds with curiosity, with every sneeze. Sonny's straw stuffing rustled like fallen leaves in autumn. Then, POOF, out popped a strange little object. It was a shiny, tickly feather. Sonny sneezed out one more time for good measure. And then he stood tall and proud. The animals laughed, and the farmer chuckled and patted Sonny's shoulder. He said, "That was quite a show, Sonny. Thank you for the entertainment." And then Sonny stood a little taller, and the breeze played with his newfound feather. Turns out this feather had been stuck inside him for years, making him sneeze like crazy. But now that it was gone, the sneezing stopped. Everyone laughed at the silly mystery of the sneezing scarecrow, and as the sun shone down on their happy faces, they all went back to their day, full of smiles and sunshine. And so, on the sunniest day of the year, Sonny the Scarecrow reminded everyone that even the simplest things can bring unexpected joy. Sometimes the funniest surprises hide in the most ordinary places. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.